Since Wednesday evening, powerful rains and gusty winds have swept across Fujian Province. According to the Meteorological Service, wind gusts reached up to 110 kilometers per hour. The highest recorded rainfall was in the Zhangzhou area, 182 millimeters in 24 hours. In Longhai County, automatic alert systems were triggered overnight. Authorities issued an orange-level weather warning. In Fuzhou, the provincial capital, strong winds damaged the roofs of more than 40 houses. The storm front began forming early Wednesday morning over the South China Sea. By 16 o'clock local time, atmospheric pressure had dropped sharply. In central Putian, dozens of trees were uprooted by powerful gusts. Drivers reported poor visibility and heavy water flow on the roads. Local utility services were placed on high alert. Temporary shelters accommodated 237 residents from coastal areas. Authorities confirmed that no one was injured. In Quanzhou, public transport services were limited. Long-distance bus ticket sales at the main station were temporarily suspended. At Fuzhou Chang'e International Airport, 18 flights were cancelled. Passengers were relocated to waiting areas and provided with food. At school number 5 in Nanping, parts of a canopy over the sports ground were torn off. The water level in the Min River rose by 62 centimeters over the past 24 hours. In the village of Shushan, the ground floors of several homes were flooded. Engineers are inspecting dams and irrigation channels for damage. In Yongtai County, electricity was temporarily cut off in 2 villages. Power company staff reported outages due to fallen trees on power lines. Restoration work began as soon as the rain subsided. Authorities reported damage to 16 greenhouses and the destruction of 2 warehouses. Flooding was also recorded in rice fields across agricultural zones. Expected crop losses are estimated at 3.5 million yuan. Local farmers will receive compensation from the reserve fund. The municipalities of Yong'an and Sanming were also listed as at-risk areas. In Sanming, falling street signs were reported. Police urged residents to stay indoors unless absolutely necessary. Mobile repair crews were stationed along major highways. Around 120 emergency personnel were deployed to respond to the aftermath. Videos of flooded streets in Fuzhou are circulating on social media. Officials warned against fake news and urged the public to follow official sources. Rainfall levels are 27% above seasonal averages. The Provincial Weather Center reported that the intensity of the rain is expected to ease by Friday morning. As of Thursday morning, the air temperature reached 26 degrees Celsius with 94% humidity. Classes were cancelled in schools in Putian and Zhangzhou. Daycare centers remain open to look after the children of emergency workers. Local media provided round-the-clock coverage. Food deliveries to remote areas are being carried out on a special schedule. Stocks of drinking water and medical supplies were replenished in advance. The civil defense system responded in a coordinated and timely manner. Volunteers assisted in evacuating people with limited mobility. Meteorologists warned of possible additional rainfall over the weekend. Groundwater levels continue to be monitored in Dihua County. The infrastructure in the city of Putian suffered less damage than in other areas. Railway service on major lines has been restored. The provincial governor thanked emergency teams for their swift response. Authorities have pledged to complete full restoration within a week.